Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of baking and cooking with an in-depth review of the Cuisinart SMD-50CRM Precision Pro 5.5-quart digital stand mixer. We found this standout mixer online and have included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what do we have here? The Cuisinart SMD-50CRM is a powerful and versatile stand mixer designed to elevate your culinary creations. With a robust 500-watt motor, this mixer is built for commercial-level mixing right in your kitchen. It's not just about power, it's also about precision, featuring 12 different speed settings that cater to a variety of mixing tasks, from kneading dough to whipping up fluffy meringues. One of the standout features of this mixer is its digital control system. The LED digital display illuminates during operation, giving you clear visibility of the settings. It includes a countdown timer with an auto-off feature, so you can set it and forget it for a bit without worrying about overmixing. Additionally, it comes with 3 pre-programmed food prep settings, making it easy to follow recipes without needing to constantly adjust the speed. The construction of the Cuisinart SMD-50CRM is impressive as well. Made from die-cast metal, it not only looks sleek but is also incredibly durable. The tilt-back head allows for easy access to the mixing bowl, which is a thoughtful design element, especially when you're adding ingredients mid-mix. Plus, there's a power outlet for optional attachments, which really expands the versatility of this mixer. In terms of accessories, you won't be left wanting. The Cuisinart SMD-50CRM comes with a polished stainless steel 5.5-quart mixing bowl, a chef's whisk for aerating and mixing, a dough hook for kneading, and a flat mixing paddle for thorough blending. It even includes a splash guard with a pour spout, which is a fantastic addition for keeping your kitchen tidy while you mix. Now, who is this mixer suitable for? If you're a home baker looking to take your skills to the next level, this stand mixer is an excellent choice. It's perfect for anyone who frequently bakes bread, cakes, cookies, or even engages in meal prep. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro, its intuitive design and impressive features make it accessible for all skill levels. Let's talk practical use cases. Imagine you're preparing for a family gathering and need to bake 3 different types of cookies. With the Cuisinart SMD-50CRM, you can whip up cookie dough in no time, switch to the dough hook for bread, and then use the whisk for a fluffy cake batter, all without breaking a sweat. The pre-programmed settings can help simplify the process, enabling you to focus on the fun part, baking, and enjoying the results. Moreover, its generous bowl capacity means you can mix larger batches, which is ideal for those who love to host or cater events. And for those who might be concerned about the product's longevity, Cuisinart backs this mixer with a limited 3-year warranty, allowing you to purchase with confidence. In summary, the Cuisinart SMD-50CRM Precision Pro 5.5-quart digital stand mixer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, combining power, precision, and versatility. Whether you're whipping up a quick cake for a birthday or kneading dough for homemade bread, this mixer is designed to make your cooking experience smooth and enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.